Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. So in order to connect a Bluetooth device to your laptop, first you're gonna have to turn on the Bluetooth. To do that, click the three icons on your status bar and then click the Bluetooth icon to make it turn the blue color, which will enable the Bluetooth on your device, and then click the arrow icon next to it to see the list of available devices. At this point you have to put your device in, that you want to connect to this computer into the pairing mode. Once you put this your device into pairing mode, you will be able to see it on the devices list. If you want to know how to put your device into pairing mode, you have to check the manual to it, because each device has its own way to enter the pairing mode. Then click your device on this list and this will connect you to it. Now if you want to disconnect from it, click on it once again and select disconnect. If you want to remove it from your computer completely, you have to go to more Bluetooth settings, then tap the three dot icon next to your device and then select remove device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.